I gave them an oaked Californian Chardonnay, they would not be happy. But we can find a style for them. The confusing thing here is that there isn't a classic profile for Chardonnay. We actually, for this, have to give you 3 different profiles for this one grape variety. We will cover all the range of flavors, but let's start off thinking about cold climate Chardonnay. Chablis would be our benchmark here. If you've ever had a Chardonnay from the UK, that would be another good example. But in these cold climate examples, Chardonnay will have very high acidity, quite light body. The flavor profiles will mainly be about green fruit and citrus fruit, so apple and lemon make a strong appearance. We're probably not going to see loads of oak at this point. If we were to move further south within France and go to Burgundy, which is like the historical home of Chardonnay, where it's a bit warmer, we'll probably still have high acidity, but the body might be a little bit fuller. And we'll find that the flavor profile will be maybe lemon and stone fruit. So there won't be as much of that green apple freshness there. These wines we might start to see a little bit of oak being used delicately. If we were to think of hot climate Chardonnay, and California would be our good example here, as would Australia, these wines will have medium levels of acidity, normally full body. Here, our flavor profile will be much more about the stone fruit and the tropical fruit. So lots of peachiness, lots of pineapple and mango flavor. This will normally have a high degree of oak as well, so that will be kind of balanced by this sweet vanilla aromas. Does that make sense? And so it's a very difficult grape variety for us as consumers to get behind, because you could try a Chardonnay in here on the Friday, go to a restaurant on Saturday and try another Chardonnay and be like, this is awful. I thought I liked Chardonnay. You kind of need to know the style of Chardonnay that you like. Our classic areas for Chardonnay, we've talked about a little bit here. Bottom one, Champagne, is quite important to remember.